Have you ever wondered how servers work and why they are so important? In the grand scheme of the digital world, servers are like the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes. They are powerful computers that store, manage, and disseminate data, acting as the backbone of our interconnected world. Think about all the things you do online, from sending an email to watching a video to playing a multiplayer game. All these activities are made possible by servers. They handle the heavy lifting, making sure that the right data reaches the right destination at the right time. And it's not just about the internet. Businesses rely on servers for everything from managing inventories to running sophisticated software applications. In essence, servers are the digital workhorses that keep our modern world running smoothly. So are you ready to delve into this fascinating world? Let's dive deeper into the world of servers and their different types. Just as there are many types of computers, there are different types of servers. File servers, as the name suggests, are used primarily for storing, retrieving, and moving files. They serve as a central hub where files are stored and accessed by clients over a network. Businesses often use file servers to store documents, media, and other important files that can be accessed by employees from various locations. Next, we have database servers. These servers are designed to house databases. They provide clients with the ability to perform operations like querying, updating, and managing data. From your local library system to large-scale operations like Amazon and Google, database servers are the backbone that allows for the efficient management and retrieval of data. Mail servers, on the other hand, are responsible for transferring and storing emails. They ensure that your emails land in the right inbox and that you're able to send out messages to the world. Imagine a post office, but for your digital mail. Web servers are another crucial type. They deliver web pages to your browser. Every time you type a URL into your browser, you're making a request to a web server somewhere in the world. These servers fetch the requested web page and send it back to your computer. Then we have game servers, which are the powerhouses behind your favorite online games. They host the game world, manage player data, enforce game rules, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Without game servers, there would be no epic battles or cooperative quests in the digital world. Finally, we have application servers, which provide the business logic for an application program. They act as a sort of middleman, connecting the user interface and the database, and processing the input from users to generate a response. Now that you know the different types of servers, you might be curious about why you'd use a media server instead of streaming from online platforms. Why would anyone choose to use a media server instead of the convenience of online streaming platforms? Well, it comes down to three main factors: control, quality, and availability. Media servers give you complete control over your content. You're the boss, deciding what to add, when to play it, and who gets to see it. You're not at the mercy of licensing agreements or sudden changes in a platform's library. Then there's quality. Streaming platforms often compress files to save bandwidth, which can lead to a loss in video or audio quality. With your own server, you can keep everything in the highest quality possible. And let's not forget about availability. With servers, your media is always available, even if your internet is down. No more buffering or interruptions due to peak times or server issues on the streaming platform's end. While servers offer many benefits, maintaining them is a task unto itself. Maintaining a server infrastructure isn't a walk in the park. It's a bit like being a mechanic for a fleet of cars, each with its own quirks, needs, and maintenance schedules. One of the first things to consider is the need for regular updates. Servers aren't static machines, they're constantly evolving with new features, bug fixes, and performance enhancements being added all the time. Just like you wouldn't skip an oil change on your car, you can't afford to ignore these updates. They're crucial for keeping your server infrastructure running smoothly and efficiently. Next up is security. Servers are prime targets for cyber attacks. It's like a treasure trove for hackers, filled with valuable data and resources. As a server administrator, you need to be vigilant, constantly updating and patching any vulnerabilities. This includes setting up firewalls, using strong and unique passwords, and employing intrusion detection systems. Remember, a secure server is a happy server. Then comes hardware maintenance. Servers are workhorses running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This can take a toll on the hardware, leading to failures if not properly monitored and maintained. Regular checkups, cleaning dust from components, replacing worn-out parts, it's all part of the job. Think of it like changing the tires on a car or replacing a worn-out engine part. But it's not just about the physical and technical aspects, you also need to have the right server management skills. Understanding how to monitor server performance, how to troubleshoot issues, and how to plan for future capacity needs are all part of maintaining a server infrastructure. It's a bit like being a race car driver. You need to understand every aspect of your vehicle to get the best performance. Maintaining server infrastructure is a complex task, but it's a critical one. It's about keeping the digital heart of your organization beating, ensuring that data flows smoothly and services remain available. It's a task that requires technical skills, a keen eye for detail, and a lot of dedication. And what's a server without its operating system? Just as your laptop or phone needs an operating system, so does a server. It's the engine under the hood, the brains behind the operation, the unseen force that makes everything work. And when it comes to servers, the operating system choices narrow down to a few key players. Let's start with Linux. It's an open-source operating system, which means it's free to use and modify, but don't let the price tag fool you. Linux is a powerhouse, favored for its stability, performance, and security. It's highly customizable and can be fine-tuned for specific server tasks. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of hardware, making it a versatile choice for many server setups. Next up is Windows Server. Now this might sound familiar. That's because it's the server version of the Windows operating system we all know and love. Windows Server is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products. It's often used in corporate environments where other Microsoft services are in play. It's not free, but it comes packed with features and support that many businesses find invaluable. Lastly, we have operating systems designed specifically for network-attached storage or NAS servers. These are typically used in RAID configurations to provide redundancy and prevent data loss. Examples include FreeNAS and Open Media Vault. They're open source like Linux and are packed with features for managing and sharing files across a network. These OSEs are a perfect fit for small businesses or home users wanting to centralize their data storage. Choosing the right server operating system depends on a multitude of factors, like what the server's primary function will be, the hardware it'll run on, and the skills of the IT staff maintaining it. But whether it's Linux, Windows Server, or a NAS-specific OS, each brings its unique strengths to the table. Servers, complex as they are, form the backbone of our digital world, and their operating systems serve as the heartbeat, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. So the next time you stream a movie, send an email, or save a file to the cloud, remember, there's a server OS working tirelessly behind the scenes. So, there you have it. An overview of servers and their importance. We've journeyed through the intricate world of servers, unraveling the complexities that lie beneath the surface of our everyday digital interactions. Isn't it fascinating to think of these powerful machines that silently work behind the scenes, powering our digital world? We started off by introducing you to servers, these dedicated machines that provide services to other computers or devices on a network. From web servers that host websites to mail servers that manage your emails, servers are the unsung heroes of the digital age. We then moved on to media servers and online streaming. While online streaming platforms may seem like the go-to solution for many, we saw how media servers offer a level of control, privacy, and customization that simply can't be matched. Whether you're a movie buff with a vast collection of films, or a music aficionado with a library of high-quality tracks, a media server could be just the ticket. Of course, owning a server isn't all fun and games. We discussed the maintenance of server infrastructures, which involves a delicate balance of hardware upkeep, software updates, and rigorous security measures. It's a demanding task, but one that ensures the smooth and efficient operation of servers. Finally, we delved into the realm of server operating systems. From Linux's open-source flexibility to Windows Server's user-friendly interface, different operating systems cater to different needs. And for those looking to run RAID-based servers for a NAS, there are dedicated OSEs designed for just that. In essence, servers are the lifeblood of our connected world. They store, send, and process data, making our digital lives possible. They're the unseen workhorses that keep the wheels of the internet turning. Next time you stream a video or send an email, remember there's a server working hard in the background.